What's cracking, y'all? It's your boy King Crown. Welcome back to the King Crown P71 channel, man. A couple of weeks ago, I'm pretty sure you guys realized, probably not even a week, a couple of weeks ago, I changed my engine oil for this 2011 Ford Crown Victoria for the first time since I had it. But I didn't install an air filter. The reason why is because I wanted to get my hands on the K&N high flow air filter to see how this baby takes. And the stores that was near me didn't really have them. But I found the store that was closer than I found the store that was close to me that had it in stock. Finally drove out to get it. When I made it there, they didn't have any, but they ordered some more. So I came back, and here I got my hands on it. It's designed to increase horsepower and acceleration. We're going to see. We're going to test this thing out. I got a good trip back home. I'll be able to vouch if this guy actually works or not. It's washable and reusable. So you guys have them, about to throw it in. I guess I can show you guys how to put it in also. Yeah. First thing you want to do is open that air filter. All right. Open that box up. Put it on. Crack that top. Slide that back like that. Comes right off. Let's check out the old air filter. Got a little rust going on. Apparently needed a new air filter. Look at that. This is the Fram, it looks like. The Fram air filter. Got a little. Let's clean that out real good. Out with the old and with the new. Slap this baby in there. The box has some oily residue on it. I guess that's for the air filter. And there I have it. I dropped it in. Nice fit. Drop this thing back. That's how it looks in there, man. It's washable, usable. So maybe this probably be the last air filter I have to buy. Woo! This boy pushing now. Woo! This boy pushing now. Got the oil change. I'm gonna wait till probably like 90,000 miles to go ahead and swap out that transmission fluid. The record minute service time is 150,000 miles. I'm at 84,000. I want to catch it before it gets to 150. That's just in case it, I have any friction build up in there that I need to keep my going, to keep it from not slipping. But yeah, I'm gonna swap it out probably like at 100,000. And I'm gonna take it to the shop. I'm not gonna do it myself, man. But this bitch pulling now. Good investment. It's washable. $50, but it's worth it, man. Cause this boy pulling. I'm trying to get some clean roads so I can flow this boy, man. It's little now. I just got some brake pads, man. I've been wrecking my brain on which brake pads I should get. I was wrecking my brain on which brake pads I should get. I don't want to, to get some crap and then I'm stuck with them. Once I put them on, I don't like, man, yo. Yeah, with this added power, of course I'm gonna need some brakes. What the fuck is you doing, boy? With this added power, of course I'm gonna need some brakes. Float now, man. And I changed the oil, it was floating, but now I changed the air filter. I don't know, because it's a high performance air filter. Let me flow this boy. Man, like nothing, floating this bitch, like nothing. Let me slow down. Like I said, I gotta throw them brakes on there. The brakes are not really bad, but when I got my differential put in, they told me I needed brake pads. I checked out the fronts yesterday. The fronts were pretty decent. Had a good amount of meat on it. The calipers, I mean, not the calipers, but the rotors wasn't warped or anything like that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just change the front pads and rotor. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no sense in changing it unless, you know what I'm saying? I haven't taken the wheel off to check out the rotors and whatnot. I just look through the rim. But I bought rotors today, so I don't know if I'm gonna take them back, keep them. We gonna check it out once I take all the wheels off. And me gonna go ahead and do that job. Also, I got the Motorcraft Gold coolant, man, because I don't like the way this grain is making my car sound. As far as like when it's cold, on cold starts, I don't like the way it's making it sound. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead swap that gold out today. Pick up, I got the concentrated, so I got to pick up some distilled water to mix that thing on up. And I'm gonna break them down. I'm gonna break the videos down. But I'm really loving this K&N air filter right now. At the moment, this boy make the car float, and this nigga up in front of me want to drive like I'm the police, man. You see, these ain't no. All right, watch this. This how you take care of this, cause motherfuckers want to drive like. That's how you get around them, man. They still back there, man, playing, man. I don't know what they doing, man. They playing, but yeah, man, I'm trying to float this boy, man. They ain't no way. I got a good slot for me to do that at too. That light don't work out though. Yeah, man, you talking about a whole difference? Because I was getting some type of hesitation and whatnot. It felt like, but man, it's like press the launch button on this boy, man. I ain't gonna take it out. Woo! Woo! Play some music. Man, yeah, it's a night and day difference from the K&N high performance air filter. Maybe because my air filter was dirty initially. The one I took out, I had a cheap Fram one in there. Maybe it was dirty. I wasn't getting the power I needed. But hey, that ain't the case now, man. I wish he wasn't at that stop sign. I was gonna fly right through that boy. Yeah. As a great man that goes by the name Tim the Two-Man Taylor once said, a little excited. Let me see. We gonna flow past this boy. Let me see. Should I go down? We gonna go down Jackson. Let's see. Now they got the cameras down now. We gonna let that goofy go. They got the camera down there. I ain't trying to get no pictures. I don't like taking pictures. This is what we gonna do. We gonna fly past this fool, cause I think he wanna race. He don't know that he wanna race, but I'm finna show him that he wanna race. Cause once I pull on side of him, oh, he an old man, he don't want no smoke. Yeah, this boy floating now, man. So y'all stay tuned for the King Crown P7. Let him get a head start, man, cause he don't know I got that air. He probably ain't even racing, but I'm finna. Bye bye, sir. Bye bye. Yeah, boy. Low key, he was trying to race, man. I guess he seen Crown Vic, older guy. Like, that car ain't no nothing. It probably ain't running good. He don't know I got that K&N air filter in there, man. You know what I'm saying? I got the police. They ain't know, those big boys, man. They don't want nothing, man. They probably turned behind me. I got a Crown Victoria, man. I remember I seen my man Mr. Random. He put that cold air intake in there. I was like, damn, I want that. And then he came back with another video talking about it messed up his what's your name, whatever it messed up. Thing is, man, you have to pretty much tune those cars to that cold air intake. So it's is it worth it? You know, the money when you can just get this one. So it's your boy King Crown, man. Y'all stay tuned for those videos I'm about to drop, man. I got a lot of stuff from AutoZone today. I'm about to do that work. You guys stay tuned. It's your boy King Crown, and I'm out. So I give a K&N High Performance Air Filter a thumbs up. It does give me a good airflow, but the next question would be is how good does this thing filter out things I don't necessarily want coming in, like compared to a normal or original air filter. So I guess I give you guys a long-term review. It says I'm supposed to oil this thing up, periodically to keep, that's supposed to stop things from coming through. So I guess I give you guys a long-term review on how this thing holds up. So you guys stay tuned. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Comment. I'm out.